the language. This language is saying that you construct a push down automata. It is not saying that you construct a deterministic or non-deterministic. You construct anyone. Okay. In case of push down automata, no restriction is there. You can do anything. Okay. So it's saying that construct a push down automata such that the language contain the string w. Language is containing the string w in such a way that all these strings in the language where number of a and number of b should be equal, means language is accepting epsilon, ab, ba, aa, bb, ab, ab, ba, ab. So it is having number of a, number of b equal, whether first a can come, b can come, any combination of a and b, but number of a, number of b should be equal. So how to construct for this? What I will do, since I am having a stack, let me try. So what I will do, in the beginning I can either start with, I can either will get a or b. In the beginning I can either have a or b. Whatever symbol I will get, since you know that the top of the stack will be j, whatever I will get, I will insert it. So either I can have, so if I'll get a or b, I will insert it. Now if by getting a, again if I'll get a, I will push. Again if I'll get a, I will push. But when I'll get b, top of the stack will see b pop, b a pop, b a pop. Now after that, if again I'm getting b, push, a pop, a push, a push, b pop, b pop, again b pop, again b, then push, again a pop, again b push, again b push. So what I am doing here, for the same symbol, whenever getting the same symbol, I am pushing on the stack, and whenever I am getting a different symbol, I am popping. See what I mean? If we will take the example a b, a b, a, b, b, b. See, z, I got a inserted, top is here, input is here. I got b, top is a, pop a, you pop a. Now you got a, stack is empty, insert a. You got b, opposite symbol, pop a, pop a. Because for 1 1 matching is done. Okay, matching is done. Again you got a, push it. Again you got a, again you got a, push it. Again you got a, this you got push, again you got a push. Top is now pointing here, you got b, top a, opposite, pop, b, top a, pop. So you want to accept epsilon. Tell me whether you want to accept epsilon or not. Because in epsilon, number of a, number of b are equal. So you have to make epsilon initial state as final state. Okay. Now you are getting a. So in the beginning, either you can have a or you can have b. Then the top of the stack will be z. You have to replace with either az or zb. Okay, zb. You have to go to the next state. You should not give the transition of az here only, because if you give, then single a will get accepted. Only if I give a loop of az. Okay, if I give like this az, then single a will get accepted. Okay, so that's why it is not allowed. You should not give. So single a accepted. Now if you are getting, so this state I am giving the name q1, this state I am giving the name q0. Now after a, again if you are getting a, after a, again if you are getting a, let's assume you got a and the top of the stack is a, insert it, replace a with a, then a. After a you are getting b, pop it. After b, sorry, you are getting b, push it. After b, if you are getting a, pop it. Now this can happen that after doing like this, the string will get finished. Like AB, AB. So A come, inserted, Z, A come, then B, pop. Then again A come, then the top of the stack is Z. So for this also you have to insert. So again, if you are getting A and the top of the stack is Z, then replace Z with A, and similarly for B, then top of the stack is Z, then replace Z. So if A, then AB, AA, A. Now after that, the string will get finished. Right? Now because of this transition only, this state, see, this state by getting Z, it has given a epsilon move, and because of that only, I am not saying to construct a deterministic push down automata. See, in the question I have given push down automata because you will not able to give a deterministic push down automata. What is the problem? When you want to accept epsilon, this transition you will not able to give. Okay, that's why I have written push down automata. It will be difficult. Acceptance by empty stack. ट्राई कीजिए आप. इप्सिलॉन एक्सेप्ट करना रहेगा तो आप कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? इप्सिलॉन Z0 इप्सिलॉन, आप कोई और ट्रांजिशन ही नहीं दे पाएंगे. ए आया, Z नहीं कर पाएंगे, एक्सेप्टेंस बाय नहीं कर पाएंगे.